Hello to you and welcome to wherever you are. Thanks for tuning into my channel. I'm Cleo and I want to share with you my doTERRA order for this month, November 2018. The holiday products released. Took a little extra time for them to get these shippings out. I ordered on the 1st and I didn't get this till a couple days ago. And let me tell you guys, I haven't even opened most of this stuff because I saved it for you. I did do pre-unboxing, so you won't watch me cut things open. And oh no, I'm not going to show you that one yet. I'm going to show you that one last. I reached right for it. You should know what it is if you know about doTERRA. If you don't, it's worth the wait. So I got a Breathe roller. Breathe Touch from doTERRA is a blend of essential oils that are excellent for respiratory support and helping unclog those areas. If you should, I don't know, live somewhere where it happens to be fall going into winter and you can expect some stuffiness or some seasonal allergies or any of that, this is great for that. I like the touches because they are pre-diluted roller balls you can toss in your purse or your briefcase, and you can just use them easily that way, and you don't have to pre-dilute them. They're already diluted. So you can roll this on the chest. If those of you who use or know about Vicks Vapor Rub, this is your natural placement for that. Vicks Vapor Rub, if you look on the ingredients, has turpentine in it. Do you want to put that on your skin? No. What's in Breathe? Coconut oil, fractionated. It's got laurel leaf, eucalyptus, peppermint, tea tree, melaleuca, that's what we call it, lemon, cardamom, ravinsara, and ravintsara, both of them. Love, love, love. Okay, that was just the regular item I needed to get to get points for this order to get free stuff. So then I got all limited edition stuff. This was released last year, and I never got a chance to try it, except in the hydrating body mist that comes. There's just a few convention kits left. I'll show you that at the end. Why not? Maybe. Let's see. You want to see it? Maybe. I'll show it to you. Which is a great fragrance, a pure fume blend of essential oils. This one is lime, infractionated coconut, osmanthus, bergamot, and frankincense. So I'm very excited to try that concentrated version because I really enjoy it in the hydrating body mist. That came with, oops, don't break it, it's brand new. That came with, I purchased that and the purchase price went straight to Healing Hands, which is a charity, third-party charity that doTERRA helps run that gives all the proceeds of Healing Hands purchases to developing countries, and you can read more about that on doTERRA.com or click my link below or message me and chat with me about it. So it came with this diffuser bracelet that women made in Uganda, if I remember correctly. You can see it has some lava stones, so I can put that beautiful touch roller on there and wear this bracelet. And oh yes, I love that. Oh my god, I love it. It has a little doTERRA charm. I'm sorry, these are sold out. If you missed it, these bracelets are sold out. However, you can still get the beautiful touch limited release. I got also the product of the month for making my purchase over 125 points. And that was a free clove oil this month. Oh dear. One day I'll get good at showing you guys the bottles. You know, bear with me. Clove oil. Clove has the highest antioxidant property value of all of our oils, IIRC. I have one open, so I'm not going to pop this one open. Clove is amazing for dabbing on if you like, I don't know, hurt yourself inside your mouth, you know, chew on a chip, you know what I'm talking about in country up. You can put a little bit of that on there and that'll numb it up, or if you have a sweet tooth issue, you can put a little clove on there and that'll sanitize it and numb it up. Let's see. Okay. Oh, yes. The holiday oils. I've never tried these. I mean, I've popped these open. These are the ones I couldn't wait to open. Holiday Peace and Holiday Joy. I was diffusing Holiday Peace earlier. It's amazing. These are those holiday fragrances. Siberian fir, grapefruit, Douglas fir. Douglas fir is amazing. If you have not tried Douglas fir, OMG. Himalayan fir. So we got a lot of firs in here. Frankincense and vetiver. Our vetiver comes from Haiti and supports those Haitian farmers. And doTERRA brought water to them by buying their vetiver. So every bottle of oil or anything you get from us is supporting local farmers, local to where they are, not local to us, because we source from 46 countries. So Holiday Joy is also Siberian fir as the first main ingredient, but this one has wild orange, clove, cinnamon, cassia, Douglas fir, nutmeg, and vanilla. Okay, you can't smell these, but I can. I can smell these for you. I really like the piece. I like that one. It smells like a real Christmas tree to me. Holiday tree, Halloween tree, Hanukkah tree. I have friends that have a Hanukkah tree. No lie. They might be watching this video. Joy. Joy is more like, it's not as overwhelming and warm and spicy as like the craft store at Holiday. I love the craft store, but the craft store in fall with all of the cinnamon brooms, honey, I cannot. I get the illest migraines. So this has that warm, cinnamony, but the orange and the fir cut through it, and it smells like a dessert. It smells like a spicy, citrusy, cinnamony dessert. That's good. For me, I would probably like to diffuse this more at night. I like this one all throughout the day, the piece. For me, even though I've only had them one day. Okay, two more things that are not sold out that you can still get. I got the signature aromas. It comes in this cute little clutch. Cute little clutch with, can you guys see that? Can you see the texture in there? Can you see those doTERRA O's? Cute little quilted clutch. And inside we have spaces. I didn't show you that long enough. Spaces for 5 roller bottles. And radiant. Ooh, these bottles are pretty. I mean, I know amber bottles are better for the oils, but as long as you don't keep them in the sun, it's, you know, don't expose them to light or heat, and they'll be fine until you use them up. Radiant has, I'm trying to find the ingredients on this bottle. Okay, in order to keep it clean, and they're not on this bottle. I will put them in the boxy box below. I will go to the website. This one is Dream. I went to Dream Convention, but I did not go to the gala, which is where I think they gave out the Dream Rollers. So I really, really wanted to try this. These two, I just couldn't resist these, and they were a great value. I think $38 wholesale. Don't quote me. Take a look. I'll put the prices down below. Okay, now, if you have watched this long, thank you, because now fun. Okay, look what I got. I just totally popped in with that. I was like, da 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 da. Last year there was a whale, so I heard. That this thing sold out in like Toot Sweet. That it was the most amazing thing. And I have FOMO, even though I didn't know anything about doTERRA last year. So I can get it out. Just toss the box inside. You like the O on my sweater? It's a cute little purple lavender whale. Yes, I am in my 30s. So I can't. You trying it? I don't care. I like it. It's cute. This thing is adorable, and it has a light party on top. So you see those stripes? You can have it go down your ceiling while you're drifting off to sleep. And it diffuses from the trunk, and it also has, do you see that? No, you don't see it yet. Do you see that universal symbol? Okay, Shall we try it? Shall we? Okay, this is what happens when you open it. It looks like this. And then what you do is you continue to open it. Right, twisting the top off. It's like that in there. Look, you can see the lights. Yeah. Okay, and you don't want to fill your diffusers past the red circle because it doesn't work if you do that, you guys. Why is my diffuser not working? Honey, did you fill it past the red circles? Don't do that. You don't need to do that. Okay, I've tinkled a little sprinkle of water in the diffuser, and you know, what the heck? What the heck? 2 drops of holiday joy. Wait, you want to see this? You want to see this drip porn? Here we go. 2 drops of holiday joy. Bloop, bloop. Oh! And that's right. Additionally, also, también, holiday peace. Let's have peace and also joy. Junto, together. 1, 2. Make sure I put the right cap on the right thing, because I don't have stickers for those yet. What's going on? How y'all doing? Leave me a comment below and let me know what you've been diffusing, or if you don't have a diffuser but you want one. Let me know why you ain't got one yet. Okay, slide that bad boy on. It's a USB pluggy plug, which I have pre-plugged into my Mac here, and da-da-da. I'm pretty sure it's interchangeable if you got the car diffuser from last month. Okay, let's push some buttons. Wait! We do tail. Okay. I mean, the elephant had to have a tail. If they didn't do that there, I would be a little angry. But the fact that they did it there just tickles me. I don't know why. Let's push some buttons. I hear things. It's waves. Can you hear it? Okay. Let's see. I could sit in it to that. I could sit in it. It's just starting to come back down onto me. Oh yeah! You guys can totally have peace and joy together. Okay, let's push it again. Running water. I don't need a lullaby. I'm okay for right now. Wait, that's it? Okay, then I turned it off. You might have been seeing that this color is glowing and changing here. And I'm going to turn off the... You're not going to see my ceiling. But... And I can't really tip it. Did I think that part out? No, I didn't think that part out. But why don't you just use the magical powers of human visualization to imagine all these shapes? Or I could put my hand over it and show it to you that way. You guys, this is YouTube. This is the internet. I can only show you in 2 dimensions how cute this thing is. And I would argue that this is even 4 dimensions because the dimension of smell. So when you get, oh, the light pink, I really like the light pink right now. It's so tickly. Get yourself this elephant diffuser. I am surprised it's not sold out, but I'm also very glad because some other of the holiday items sold out quite quickly. Oh, I'm making a mess. I also got, gosh, that smells good. Can you see the twinkles on me? See the twinkles? So, just want to give you a quick video flip. Chocolate, holiday peace, holiday joy. Chocolate is $9.50. It's On Guard chocolate bark. You get at least 6 bars. I know some people have opened their bag and gotten 9 bars. Holiday Peace and Holiday Joy are $24.50. The Brevi diffuser, that sold out. That was cute. Can I mirror image this? And the Harvest Spice. So when that sold out, when this sold out together at $44 wholesale, they re-released Harvest Spice on its own. So if you like the smell or taste of pumpkin spice, you may also really want to get Harvest Spice. The Elephant Diffuser is $44 wholesale. This sold out as I showed you. What did I pay for that? Oh my God, $32, nothing. And for a bracelet and a perfume and a little pouch, and that went straight to charity. That went straight to charity. Those sold out. I'm not going to show you those because people are mad about those. The pouch that I got was actually $48.50 wholesale. $48.50. Lip balm, gone. Sorry. Balance soap may actually come back, so keep an eye out for that. Also, I want to remind you about the promo, but first I want to tell you, go to your doTERRA friend to get these products. If that doTERRA friend is me, you will find my link down below. If you just want to chat oils, if you just have questions, I will answer them for you, so you can put them in the comments below. Check out my video from last week explaining all the promos for this month, but I'll review them with you quickly right now. For the details, you better click that video. So it's 50/50 promo. It's called Give the Gift. And that means you and I, if you're a new enrollee and you purchase one of our 8 enrollment kits or make your own custom kit over $100, then you will get $50 to spend in your account. They'll just deposit $50 in your little doTERRA loyalty account for you to spend, and I'll get that too. If you are already a member, a wholesale customer, you can actually upgrade to advocate and help your friend enroll, and that's easy because you can just do it on the website and you will get the 50 yourself. So that's great. 50/50, everybody gets the love. It's really great. Details, check out my other video or click the link below. You have a couple days left. You have till the 15th to place an order in loyalty and get the free clove oil. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you get on that before the 15th because it's not available after that. And there's 10% off Digest Zen soft gels this month. So that helps with digestional discomfort and all those tummy ache issues that can come up. So that's a good deal to get 10% off that this month. Again, thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for playing with me at the new diffuser. I'll lead us out with next time.